My role here at Knapheide, I'm a senior designer. Part of my role, I'm in charge of Knapheide band equipment. I had to develop tests so that we can test out our product to make sure it is one of the best ones on the market. And you start from your concept to design to testing and then all the way to now we launched it on the market. Working with the team here at Knapheide is actually pretty great. That I've always had someone else there that I work with.
We're all fairly close with each other. We're all very collaborative. I think what leads to that is we have a very open work environment. We can go to each other's desks, even if it's to talk about non-work related stuff. It enables us to have open communication with each other, so we can collaborate with each other. We're always talking to each other.
Work-life balance here at Knapheide, it's pretty great. I have an 8-hour shift and I can probably count on one hand the amount of times I've had to stay late. So I'm able to balance everything at work so that I can do all of my entire shift in an 8-hour shift and then still go home.
We have very rich history here at Quincy. There's always something going on if you want to do it. You have access to most modern amenities you want in terms of shopping, food, activities you want to do, but you still get that country vibe of not living in a big city.
Working at Knapheide, I've acquired quite a few friends as well. So I like to host game nights at my house, or I've got a group of friends, we'll go play disc golf in the evenings. We go to the gym, we work out, so it's awesome living in Quincy.
My name is Nicholas Hager.
I'm Henry Branham.
And I'm a senior designer here at Knapheide.
Senior designer at Knapheide.
Knapheide, America's work truck.